Familiarize yourself with the 2020 Ram 1500. This four-door, five-passenger truck is ready to drive off the showroom floor. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, rain-sensing wipers, a bedliner, and voice-activated navigation. The memory system includes pedal position, allowing multiple drivers to find their preferred driving positions easily. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 19 speakers, yielding a symphony-like audio experience. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.